If you've got questions, we've got answers. My name is Kemi and you're welcome to the Yellow Card FAQ series. Yellow Card offers you different options for your seamless deposit. You can make instant peer-to-peer deposits or speedy manual deposits at the click of a few buttons. Making manual deposits on Yellow Card is as easy as 4 quick steps. Let's take you through them. First, on the home screen, tap Deposit and then select Bank Deposits. Copy the account number provided and make a transfer to it with a local bank account in your name. Once you made the transfer, enter the exact amount that you transferred to our account. Please ensure that you include your unique reference number here. Review and confirm that the details are correct, and then you can submit your deposit request. Please ensure that you enter all details correctly so that your deposit is processed on time. And that's it. So sign up or log in to start making your best money moves with Yellow Card today.